Prime Minister Narendra Modi to address election rally at Kangla on February 25th. Chief Minister Ibobi takes jab at former Congress ministers who have joined BJP. AMSU launches campaign demanding disclosure of the framework agreement between the centre and NSCIM. And Naga communities celebrate Luingaini in traditional fervour at Gate across Manipur. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangtum with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be visiting Imphal on the 25th of this month to campaign for the BJP in the 11th Manipur Assembly election. Narendra Modi will address an election rally at the Kangla Fort the same day. Disclosing this to media persons at the party's office at Nityai Pachutek, BJP Manipur in charge Prahlad Singh Patel said it is ridiculous for a corrupt party like the Congress to hurl allegations at BJP. The BJP leader also released an audio cassette called Thambal to spread the message of the party. The party will also release a street play called Thambal.
25 फरवरी को आ रहा है। हम लोगों ने जो वेन्यू दिया है वो कांगड़ा पोर्ट है। पहले जो जहाँ पर सीआरपीएफ कैंप का था ये दो है, पर मुझे लगता है कांगड़ा फोर्ट ही फाइनल होगा। उसमें जितना शर्मिला कह रही है उतना तो भाजपा पूरे चुनाव में खर्च नहीं कर सकती। तो ये तो बड़ी आप भी जानते हो, ये प्रोपोगंडा पॉलिटिक्स कांग्रेस की फितरत रही है और अब इस बार को ज़्यादा झुंझलाहट है। मुझे लगता है इससे ज़्यादा सीरियस मामले हैं कि एक एक जगह पर लगातार 4-4, 5-5 बार हमले हो रहे हैं और लगातार हम उनको इलेक्शन कमीशन के नोटिस में ला रहे हैं। ये ज़्यादा बड़ी बात है। करप्शन करने वाले हम पर आरोप लगाएंगे, ये बहुत दुर्भाग्य की बात है। करप्शन हमारा मुद्दा है, भ्रष्टाचार कांग्रेस की फितरत है, हमारे तरफ से तो सवाल नहीं पैदा होता।
Chief Minister Ibobi today took a dig at the former Congress ministers who have joined the BJP at the flag hoisting of the Congress candidate in Haingang, Nauribam Ratan alias Kapu. He said former Congress ministers who are now in the BJP did not complete works they started and are accusing the Congress government of the incomplete works. The flag hoisting was organized by Sawombung Block Congress Committee at the residence of Nauribam Ratan at Haingang, Mayailekai. A multi-faith prayer was held since morning ahead of the flag hoisting. Later, an election meeting was held at the Haingang Mayailekai. The chief minister said it is shameful that the former Congress ministers who had been a part of the Congress government for more than 10 years are now targeting the government. He even mentioned the names of former MLAs of Haingang and Wangkai.
Sahi tara mga sida sahi tara pairamba mga pairamba achaw department mayam water supply IFCD civil supply aduna na ina nangna roi si moi sing si kanagi sports khande amu khande moi na pairamba pa ina miat na loiramba ro haktani ba hojing lai ba government sina loisandre loiba ngamre hai si moi na pai na miat na kunang sa na loi na miat ho ga thamam sarunga ta thamam ro haktani.
Deputy Chief Minister Gekangam said BJP Manipur Pradesh urged the centre to impose president's rule in Manipur because the party realized that it will not be able to win any seat in the assembly elections. He cautioned the people that the upcoming election will decide the future of Manipur and it is in the hands of the people to save the state. Gekangam said he was threatened that he would be ambushed when he went to file his nomination on the 13th of this month at Tamenglong DC office, but nothing untoward happened when he filed his papers there. He said some people might have burnt his effigy after he left the place.
Manipur election tawdse thok pidana pia thambi kho akoi jile ko bi ama phok karo matagum se I mo I che pai ni pia thambi u pia so athum ha ko do na kaya pa ni na ai tin tin da kha ko mai me ya do tang wo yo on ki be pen de lim ho yu building ka su tha di hai
Tamil Londa, nomination fight of a Suri. Chicken Yam Tori, half can get to Kaniga, at the inboost of money to the Hing Hanadi, Lakanu, Coffin Yam, Hanget Lao, Kara, Tori.
Bloc Congress Committee Andhra Kendra today organized one-day political convention at Andhra Kangjepung. At least 3,000 supporters of the Congress candidate in Andhra, T.H. Shyam Kumar, from 44 polling stations attended the election meeting. President of BJP Manipur Pradesh Ketri Mayum Bhavananda today warned the voters that if the Congress returns to power in the 11th Assembly election, Manipur will either disappear or be disintegrated. Speaking at the flag hoisting of the BJP candidate Thauchom Jadumani in Khangabo constituency today, the BJP president said the Congress is facing extinction in the state. He said what Chief Minister Okrami Bobi spoke about the indefinite economic blockade of the UNC is unbecoming of a chief minister.
Irang tauriba ngasi santi wene hingbang ngamdribasi moina panba sason haitaba daita yaudaba sason agi makada pan pagi ngasi leba irang samna thoribasi hapna tenu baireki sibu siamamna haibe wa wahila khangwa ya ba khamani UNC government ka chap chana changin gimna bagi film leile apoi ki praja da bu jena batare haiba achu ba challenge to masibu karam ba CM no aduna ta pa ke ma ji khwai ni tai ta yo da ba irresponsible hoiba apoi ki CM mo hoiba da mate chadra ba miyo ye mane.
As the election draws nearer, workers of the different parties are hoping from one another party before returning to the old party. Soyam Santikumar, who contested the Imphal Municipal Corporation elections in Sagolband on BJP ticket, left the BJP some time ago only to be returned to the party today. He was welcomed back to the party by Sagolband BJP Mandal and BJP candidate K.H. Loken. K.H. Loken urged the BJP workers to unite for the victory of the party in the upcoming 11th Manipur Assembly election.
State asi awonba saukhatpa adugumba state ama oinanabagi damakta aikoi gi BJP gi karmi punamak BJP gi worker punamak aikoi kanna honaba aikoi gi BJP na Manipur da sason nama poraknanabagi achetpa thajaba prajana phawriba awonba ahongba ma lagnanabagi asikumba thajaba ma praja punamakta leiribase aikoi ngamnanaba aikoi masi thabakta aikoi kanna honadana
National People's Party (NPP) today accused the Congress and BJP of indulging in war of words instead of focusing on issues facing Manipur. NPP candidate in Wangoi Khuraijam Loken today alleged that the Congress is trying to gain political mileage by creating 7 new districts and asking the centre to declare the UNC as an unlawful organization. He was speaking at an election rally from Paubitek to Upokbi. He alleged that the 3-year-old BJP government in the centre has done nothing for the development of Manipur. The NPP candidate said the people of Manipur are aware of the intention of the Congress and BJP. Loken said Congress and BJP will not get majority in the 11th Assembly and NPP will play a big role in the formation of a new government.
Masih aku ini khususnya economic blockade ki matang saya ibu hajau hari state na center da taisan ba state congress na center BJP na malam state da taisan ba aduna ani jina yang kanna injan raga Manipur da asoba politics game ama tawri ba khususnya madu hantak lakadru 2017 election ji matung nati khoi Manipur da awon ba malani congress na ju BJP na ju ani amatta absolute order da bani na karam party ga government semin naga ge haibadu miyamna yam munni yeng ye hujujik si aduna madugi manungda ekhoi nation people's parties na asoba role am lawda Manipur da lakadru trama thoisiba vidhan sabha election ji matungda asoba Manipur da ahomom la ani habse miyam da thamjake.
Northeast India Development Party candidate in Kairao, Thongram Gopen, has clarified regarding the scuffle between the workers of BJP candidate Laurembam Rameshwar and villagers of Chanam Chandrok and its adjoining villages in Tarun Corner on the 13th of this month. Gopen told media persons that the incident occurred when the BJP candidate Rameshwar was returning after filing his nomination with a large number of supporters. He alleged that the workers surrounded him and damaged his vehicle. Tribunal. Rameshwar said the villagers did not damage the vehicles of the workers of the BJP candidate.
Thaduk ekoi miyosing channel ba yai adubu candidate ama wena laiba ai yum tamna laiba ai gi lambi du da lakpa matam da mai khoi gi masing yam laba worker sing dona ai bu koi chalaga ai gari thatlabani na ai gi su lejari ba worker mayam khongang de tholaiba nupi imai ben sing ama de ai gi nupa worker mayam duna ai question gare that khare ba pau ta ba matam da ai miyam hopsalai mob tholpa matam da mai khoi da gari da natra ai gari da soho bu ti madu di miyam gi mob ne masi ai nin chalaga natra praja miyam duna atamna mai khoi da tawgiba wakhalon nate.
A meeting of BJP units of Ngai Kongkulin, Taubol and Hainobok in Oinam constituency was held today to bring a change in the constituency. BJP candidate in Oinam, Laishram Radha Kishore, also participated in the meeting. General and police observers of Bishnupur district today held a meeting with all officers concerned of the district at the mini secretariat Bishnupur. General observer for Nambol, Oinam and Bishnupur, Dr. Akhilesh Kumar Mishra, General observer for Moirang, Thanga and Kumbi, Pravin N. Gedam, police observer for Nambol, Oinam and Bishnupur, Mohammad Asan Reza and police observer for Moirang, Thanga and Kumbi, Lungring Ding interacted with the officers in charge of the constituencies. The DEO Imphal West yesterday organized a meeting of the general observers, police observers and returning officers of 13 constituencies of the district in connection with the upcoming 11th Manipur Assembly elections at DC office, Lamphil Complex. The meeting discussed issues including election monitoring and status of training personnel. The observers will be available for interaction with the general public regarding election-related matters from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. every day at DC office. All Manipur Students Union AMSU today launched the campaign for protection of historical and political identity of Manipur, demanding disclosure of the framework agreement between the NSC and IM and the Government of India. Launching the campaign, AMSU volunteers distributed pamphlets and conducted poster campaign at Khairamban Bazaar and chanted slogans. Speaking to media persons, AMSU President Subhash Chandra said the non-disclosure of the framework agreement between the Government of India and NSC and IM has created confusion among the people of Manipur. He asked why the agreement is not made public. He termed the statement of political leaders that the agreement will not harm the interests of the people as unfounded. He also said that street corner meetings and rallies will be held as a part of the campaign.
Miyamgi mamangda mitmangda hariba yawde habagi white paper utpanate ta sengna sinda na dragana media da yawde khak habana madu miyamgi thamoida emsuda pen bangambagi wafam amakhak oide miyamgi mohut chilaga hariba framework agreement si manungda yawri masak sing si miyamda khangalaga mana yawde hariba se proof se pigadabani aduna akoina BJP natragana kana gumba political party amada da atamna sangsinba khongjang natte masi Manipur miyamgi khallakanda da miyamgi yaifanana ba aduga leminariba kundaminariba tongan proof singi marakta singchep thazilakba se masi yade haiba khanganana ba akoina khonthang asi lokhatpani.
Naga communities across the state today celebrated Luingaini festival with traditional fervor and enthusiasm. The age-old Sid sowing festival of the Naga communities was celebrated in different districts of the state. The state-level celebration of the festival was held at Tribal Research Institute at Chingmarong, organized by the state-level Luingaini Celebration Committee. The celebration began with the extraction of the sacred fire and shouting of ho-hoing in the praise of the Creator. The celebration was highlighted by traditional songs and dances of 16 Naga tribes. Naga wrestling and fashion show displaying the old designs of clothes worn by various Naga tribes. Chief Secretary O. Nabakishore, who was a chief guest on the event, urged the people to nurture brotherhood among all the communities living in the state. He said the festival gives the Naga communities the opportunity to gather and celebrate the Sid sowing festival together.
Let's forget about our differences. Let's nurture our commonalities, fraternity and brotherhood. Let's try to promote our culture, promote our development. Let's help each other in a spirit of fraternity. Let's forget and forgive each other. let's forget all our differences and try to bring peace and harmony in our state.
People celebrated the state sowing festival with great enthusiasm in Chandal district. The festival was celebrated on the theme towards a culture of peace at Maha Union Government Higher Secondary School ground at Japho. DIG of 26th Sector Assam Rifles Brigadier A.S. Chauhan hosted a Luingaini flag to mark the beginning of the festival. Prayers and traditional dances and songs highlighted the celebration. Leaders of Chandal Naga People's Organization, Naga People's Movement for Human Rights and people from different walks of life participated in the celebration. Police and Excise Department continued a drive against liquors ahead of the 11th Assembly elections in the state. A large quantity of illicit liquor was set on fire today in Yairipok. The liquor was seized during drive conducted under the supervision of Deputy Superintendent, Excise Department Raghu and OC Excise Station Yairipok as Nilakumar and SDPO Yairipok Police as Hemanta. Imphal West Command arrested 5 persons who are overground workers of an ASEAN-IM working overground from Ringpang and Nungba headquarters on the 13th of this month. 3 of them are identified as Joni Kamai, Tuan Kimla Kamai and Paigajay Kangmai, while 2 are yet to be identified. After hearing the arrest, women of the area folk stormed the Nungba police station demanding their release. All the arrested persons have been handed over to Imphal station. The RPF in a press release clarified that Yumnam Surendra alias Suren, 64, son of late Waipurno from Wangkai Tokpam Laikai, who was arrested by Imphal West District Police Commando on February 14, has no link with the RPF and its armed wing PLA. Luang Sangbam Apunba Nupilup states a sit-in demanding settlement of many cases in the state and punishment of those who are involved in crimes. The sit-in was held at Mantri Pukri Kaithel Community Hall, even when electioneering is gaining momentum in other parts of the state. Secretary of the organization, Mangsatabam Laima, welcomed the reopening of the Sanjeet and Rabina case by the CBI. She also urged the government to complete the drug-related cases of the fake encounter cases before the election and to punish the culprits.
Rabina amasung Sanjit hatkibasi Manipur sinmatungna free encounter ji salaidana loigrabani. Mipung kutuma khangabani ima iben aikhoisi karmai tawna icha isu mapan thon mabo kire asung mathaba sin namjalaga thambira nu sine aikhoina haijeningi je Manipur da icha lising hatkadaba akhoi drakki maramda pharaba matamda haujibogda CBI da sinabidabra khangde miyoe du kanano karino haibase khangbangam haibase akhoi sengna puthopiraga ngasi CBI na madu puthopiraga ima iben singjidaida aseng moduma tangdi khanganbiyo sarkar jina masi puthopiyo election mamangda puthopiyo aseng tawbiyo.
All Manipur Elementary School Teachers Association (AMESTA) alleged that Education has appointed 6th grade 3 officers of Manipur Education Service (MES) neglecting the High Court order to disburse salary of 1,786 downgraded elementary school teachers. AMESTA has threatened that teachers will not perform election duty and will stage a sit-in on the election day if the salaries for 6 months from September 2016 are not disbursed. Speaking to media persons, AMESTA General Secretary C.H. Shantakumar said the state government downgraded 1,786 elementary teachers without giving any reasons. The High Court ordered the government to disburse a salary on January 18th, while the governor wrote to the Chief Secretary to give the teachers appropriate salaries. He also said AMESTA has resolved to protest and not to take part in the upcoming election against the action of the government.
Governor of Manipur nasu aikoi victim ori baja sengse tolo pigro aidana chief secretary thi ire ado ngasi bhawu dai koi tolop si phangdadana leiba sidagi koi association ware pam lawre karam ware loge bu lakadori ba election si dai koi hai boja lising am sadre marputar bo se amata saru yara roi election in bi sida koi Manipur mafam amata hekta koi boja lising am sadre marputar chi punjalaga koi sit in protest when phamaga lerani.
Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association launched a welfare scheme for the deceased and retired Home Guard personnel. The association today extended financial help to a retired Home Guard personnel Ningthaucham Dhani from Kangabok and the family of the deceased personnel Muhammad Amu from Yairipok. Speaking to the media at a press meet at Manipur Press Club, President of Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association Y Mangi said the association decided to start the scheme to help the retired and deceased personnel who work day and night despite the meager salaries. He asked the Home Guard personnel to become members of the association to get benefits of the scheme.
Akwai Manipur ki Honorable High Court na piba directive adugi matungina association asina chatharamba andalolo do April gi tarik kun bawba koi suspend tawdana lady April gi tara taret Hauba gi manungda Manipur gi High Court na piba directive adugi matungina thabak makata na thabak chatharaktrabadi akoi gi apamba se pidrabadi Manipur sarkar na khanna bidrabadi akoi April gi tarik kundagi di kari karamba makhal thaurang ama chathagadagi haibase committee gi athuba mifam ama lepaga amukso khoi khanna jaragani.
Hitendra Sharma, who is on a world tour on a Honda Amaze to spread the message of peace and love, reached Imphal today. He arrived at Sangai Honda at Ghari this morning around 10. He began his journey from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh from the 10th of this month. Hitendra Sharma said he will tour 11 Asian countries to spread message of friendship, peace, happiness to the world. He left for Myanmar and China.
मैं ये बताने चाह रहा हूँ हमारा देश बिल्कुल साफ़ है, हमारे यहाँ के लोगों के मन भी साफ़ हैं। साथ ही मेरा ये मैसेज भी है, द पावर ऑफ योगा। हमारे इंडिया का जो जनक है, जो हम जिसमें विश्व गुरु बनने वाले हैं योगा में, वही हमारा एक पावर है। मैं उन देश को बताना चाहता हूँ कि हम लोग कितने एनर्जेटिक हैं। योगा हमारी एक पावर है, उसको मैं प्रमोट करने जा रहा हूँ। और भी कई सारी चीज़ें, आप लोगों का सहयोग और आशीर्वाद और दुआएं नहीं तो मैं और अच्छा करने की कोशिश करूँगा।
Now the sports news. In the 10th league match of the Fort Herojit Waribam Gold Cup under 14 hockey tournament played today, 2 goals from SH Bidyacharan and 1 goal each from Y Roshan and SH Budhi took YCCIC Kontha Khabam to victory against SYUC Uchekon Kunau 4-1. While in the 11th league match, KHSC Kongman beat Hockey Union Larigengbam Lekai 3-1. 8 teams are competing in the tournament organized by Manipur Hockey at Kuman Lampak AstroTurf. Model Club Echingamaka beat Napsa Ka Imphal by 10 runs in the 17 league match of the 5th T20 Veteran Cricket Tournament. Batting first, Model Club Echingamaka made 110 for 7 in 20 overs. In reply, Napsa Ka Imphal made 100 for 8 in 20 overs. Model Club Echingamaka bowler Homeshwar was declared the man of the match. Dynamic Sports Union Kwakaithal will meet YWC Langkabal in the 18th league match of the tournament organized by Manipur Veteran Cricket Association at Oriental College and Model Higher Secondary School ground. After bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to address election rally at Kangla on February 25th. Chief Minister Ibobi takes charge at former Congress ministers who have to join the BJP. AMSU launches campaign demanding disclosure of the framework agreement between the centre and NSC and IM. And Naga communities celebrate Luingaini with traditional fervour and gaiety across Manipur.